In this video, I'm going to show you how we can get a project working inside your mobile app. You're going to be able to complete a task. On that task, it's going to be verified and there's going to be token payments. You'll then act as a verifier to verify the task. And finally, as the project owner, you're also going to make the payments. So in this, we're going to wrap in the whole process of people doing it, people recording activities, other people verifying activities, and finally the project owner creating a token payment. Okay, let's go. First, you're going to create a project inside the web system. Okay, I've given my project a few details. Create new project. I'll give it a background. I've added a background. Let's add some tasks. Okay, I've created a very simple task. Send me an image, a few details to the tasker. I'm going to verify the task, and I've decided to allocate 3 tokens. We use the points field to define how many tokens we're going to send, and you'll see that we're going to use Nixter's tokens, which are some test tokens that we've set up, and I'm going to give you the private key for that in the blog post so you can use the same wallet I'm going to use. Finally, the feedback activity field we're going to request is just an image. I'll save the task. The task has been added. The next thing we're going to do is add our wallet, the project token wallet, into the mobile app. I pull to refresh and I should see my new project that I just created with 1 task in it. Inside the project, in the top right, I click the options menu. I go to payments and rewards, and you can see it's points only enabled, but I'm going to enable tokens on the project. Okay, you see I've added the private key of the funding wallet. We've got the asset name Nixter's, and this is the public key of the issuer wallet. I click add project wallet. We get a success message, and we can now see that the Nixter's wallet has been added to our project, so we're good to go. Okay, this is our big moment. First of all, let's take on the role of a tasker. I'm part of the team. I can work on this project. I'm being asked to send an image in order to earn tokens. I add an image of where I am right now, and I complete the task. Okay, next step. I take on the role as a verifier. I'm notified that I've got tasks that need to be verified, and when I log into the app, you can see that there's 1 task that needs verifying inside this project. So, as a verifier, I come in and I can see that this user, Tony Stark, has completed a task. I can go in, I can get information on what was done and where. I can choose to reject or accept, but I'll accept. That's done. Final step is now to act as a project owner who has payment authorization, and you can see that I've got a payment to authorize here. First, before I do this, we're using the same account to act as the tasker, the verifier, and the project manager. Let's just have a look first in my wallet, and we can see right now I already have 4 Nixters from other tests that my test profile Tony's been doing. So I've now got 4 Nixters. So as the project owner, I'm going to authorize a payment. I can see there's 3 Nixters to go through to Tony Stark. I click pay. We see it's been paid. And back through to my wallet, as if I was a tasker, we can see I've now got 7 Nixters, which I can go through to, and coming very soon there'll be redeem options, so that as a tasker I could start to swap my Nixter's tokens for all sorts of cool things I could redeem it against. And there, I think we beat 15 minutes. I think we set it up in less than 5.